boy, help. Hola, hola. Hi to Yelmas, Andy Bay. Hola, hi. Happy Mother's Day. Greet me a happy Mother's Day. I understand only English. English, guys. Hi to my 21 share life, guys. Share life. Super hermosa. You mean I am super beautiful? The first looking today. Thank you. Because this because of my dress. Yeah. It depends upon how I dress. It's the tomorrow if the dress is not good for me, so I'm not looking good. Hi to Reggie Van K. Hello. Share live, guys. Share live. Oh my goodness. Hi. What else? Thank you, Romeo Escola. Romeo Escola is um your what's your nationality? Hi to my 15 viewers. Hello. Thank you for watching. How do I look with my headdress? Or without? Looking young. I'm all 43 years old. How do I look like? I ask you guys. Tell me the truth. How do I care myself? Wait, I will see if there is brighter than this. Brighter than this. Brighter than this. You like sample only what to do, what to best give, what to make best to you. What help? What help you want to give to me? I have them on WhatsApp. I have them on Instagram. You can message me privately. I have also my Facebook. I have also my Instagram, my Telegram, there in my about. Guys, you can message me there. Guys, if you have, this is only an advertise. I inform to you guys that I have a problem on my phone. That's why I can't go live every day. I can't upload good videos because of my phone is full storage. I need to upgrade my phone. So if you have volunteer, you can also what you call this, the sponsors. No good. What's good? No, no. I have also my what you call this, my Patreon account there, but not yet. I only upload not videos, but I think in the future I can work on that.